This is a tutorial for downloading the template and uploading the template using Excel format. First thing is to download the inventory from the main branch. Click the main warehouse, then download the template. So open the file. So click yes. This is the exported file. Please do not change any system code here. So for example, Avon Fresh will be counted 100, then apple cider 200. For the discrepancy, it is not included in the system, so you can create a custom formula for this discrepancy. So close. So save the file using Excel format. Save as. Then use the Excel file. I mean Excel 97 2003 template file. And click save. Close the file. Then upload the template. So select the file, click open. This is the file. Then select the branch name where we will put the inventory physical count. For example, Abelia. Then click upload. So this is now the reference number of the uploaded Excel file. Click the details. As you can see, we have imported automatically the Avon Film Fresh 100, then apple cider 200. So that's it. Then if you're done, select the completed, then click save. So let's check the inventory for Abelia. Go to the product list. For apple cider, so we have a quantity of 200. Click the details, I mean inventory. So you can see we have added 200 for Abelia. That's it.